Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash into a Varo bank account. First, open the Varo bank app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are at the home screen, tap on the Varo account to open it. Then look for the option that says add cash or deposit cash. Now, the app will show you the barcode or the deposit screen. This barcode is what the cashier will scan when you deposit your money. Now go to the participant retail store that accept wire cards, deposit. Some common location includes convenience store, pharmacy or big retail stores. When you get the store, tell the cashier I need to deposit cash into my Varo account. When they get the store, they will show the barcode on your phone to cash here. Then hand them the cash you want to deposit. The cashier will scan the barcode and process the deposit. You may need to pay a small service fee depending on the store. After the transaction is complete, you will receive a receipt and the money will usually appear in your Varo account within a minute. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.